channel. Y'all know who it is. It's the Glam Princess. And today, y'all, I am coming to bring you all a DIY. A friend of mine is really inspired by her because she asked me, hey, Tasha, I need a centerpiece for a table. I need this quick. I don't want all that real glam stuff you be doing, but I like the glam, but I don't want it too glam. So I said, okay, let me accommodate my friend. So she said, listen, I don't have a lot of money. I don't want to make this something that is like hard for you to do. I want it quick and simple. So I said, hey, let me use what I already have. And of course, I'm not going to charge her, but I wanted to make sure that whatever I gave her was her. So I know her a little bit. So she loves mirrors. So that's what we're going to use to make this beautiful centerpiece. So I'm going to use these mirrors that I got from Michael's. I'm also going to use this wrap that I got from Amazon. We're going to use some floral foam, and we are going to use these wooden pieces that I found from I think it was Dollar Tree or Walmart. I think it was Dollar Tree though. But anyway, these are the items that we're going to use. These items I already had at home. It was nothing that I had to go out and buy. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take 2 of these blocks, and we're going to go ahead and put our diamond wrap on here like so. Okay, Glam fam, so check out this gorgeous vase, y'all. It is amazingly beautiful. I love how it turned out. I think she is going to really love this vase. And I think it's going to make a great centerpiece. Now, y'all know I'm not good with, arrangements, flower arrangements or whatever, but I just put something in there to give you all an idea and a feel of how it is going to look as her centerpiece. Y'all, it is gorgeous. It is so beautiful, so glam. Look at that. I love it. And if you love it, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.
Thought I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this, oh God? Why you let me find her like this, oh God? You still ain't got a problem, my dog.